Hey to you all out there watching. I am not a professional, but I'm a guy who spent a lot of time doing his own aluminum at home. I wanted it to look a little bit better than simple brake bends, so I invested in a Van Mark trim former. It's a roll forming unit. You can see very carefully there's different dies. I'm going to use only the OEM dies today. I'll show you what equipment I'm using and how I use it. So the unit itself is a little expensive, but I've got a used brake here. It's a Mark 1. I've made my own coil dispenser. I did that through laser profiling because I have access to this sort of stuff. Shout out to Barlow Manufacturing in Stony Creek and 1-to-1 coatings. These are samples. This is a roll formed rib, and this is another type of rib. I'm just going to slowly let you see the profile. You can see what I've made here in the past. This is what we're making today in a 6-foot length. It's got a drip edge on the bottom, and you can see the profile. You can also see I've got a French curve here. So I recommend that you create a procedure and do lots of test strips, otherwise you will struggle. Here we go. I've already taken the liberty of marking out all my positions. You have to forgive me because I have to go at a certain pace, and otherwise I'll make mistakes. Again, I am not a pro. I'm just a dude who wanted to have a certain type of aluminum look and spent some money and time to accomplish that. The unit hooks on to a Mark 1 or Mark 2. Goes back and forth. You engage gently, pushing down and forward. That's our first rib. Gently, not to kink the material, and reset. Again, applying the tool. Engage. We're done with that. So now it's just brake fluting from here on in. I don't use the back stops because I have to do all the positioning. I just set my marks and bend by eye. I have templates to follow for the profile in the house. Again, don't kink your material when you're in the process of positioning. Give me a little more strength into the material now that we've done a couple bends. You can start to see the profile taking shape. It's more of a decorative thing with the roll former. Most guys just do square bends because it's fast, but if you got an old house like mine, which is approaching 100 years old, you're doing what you can to maintain the look of the existing trim. Almost there, 3 bends to go, and this piece will be complete. So now we're going to do our drip edge, which is so critical. So many guys out there in the industry, be it pro or not, don't do them because it's fast, it saves time to avoid it, but it makes all the difference in the longevity of your project and final result. And this is our final result. You can see we have a profile on a 6-foot piece. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your project.